Hey, it's David Dominé, the Bluegrass Peasant. We stopped by for lunch at a popular Louisville eatery known as Ditto's. It's in the Highlands neighborhood on Bardstown Road. It's been around since the 1990s, and we just ordered. So we got some tomato basil soup to start off with, and it's nice and thick, very flavorful and spicy, very good. Then I got the pork chop, one of their more popular dishes for the entrees. And the pork chop is delicious. It's huge, has port wine sauce with portobellos and caramelized onions, mashed potatoes and spinach. Very, very good.
My name's Ed.
How long you been working here?
About a year.
And what do you think the best dishes on the menu are?
The number one selling dishes is the pasta carbonara. It's been on the menu for 30 years. Blackened chicken Alfredo. Pork chop, of course, meatloaf. Pretty much all our food's pretty good.
It is.
And we give you a lot of it.
So how's yours? Ramon got the tomato, garlic, bow tie pasta with broccoli and chicken. Looks really good. It was very good. I don't see a lot of tomatoes though, but it was delicious. All in all, Ditto's is a great place for lunch or dinner. Sandwiches and salads, large portions, run from $10 to $16. The average size is $5.50. They have monthly specials for $18, $19 as well. It's a very popular place in Louisville's Highland neighborhood.